darlings, how are you doing? I hope that everyone is doing great and fabulous. Today I'm going to do a review on this flawless blunt bob cut. Her name is Gaga, and I'm going to be reviewing her in the color Somrt Nude. Okay, this is her stock card. This is what she looks like. You can flat iron this wig but only up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I wouldn't do that because I don't want to be messing my wigs. I think she's perfect like this. And she's also made of range fiber. I really love this wig. I've worn this wig a few times on my I've worn this wig a few times, especially the days when I really don't have time to be fixing my edges up. But all you have to do is put her on, give her a little brush, a little comb here and there, and you're good to go, honey. So she has 3 combs. She has a total of 3 combs. She has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and you also do have your adjustable straps with this wig. The color is I want to say the color looks like a mixture of pink. Her color is kind of like a mixture of pink and blonde and gold. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but you do have a few strands of pinks in there. You do have a few strands of blonde, and you do have a few strands of platinum blonde. And it looks really cute. It looks really neat. At first I was a little skeptical about the color, but definitely she's not that bad. I think the color looks really cute. So let me just put her on real quick. So I kind of like to wear her like this, and every now and then I'll go like this. But she's definitely cute. I really like this color. I really like how this color looks on me, and I don't think that anyone should be scared of this color. Oh my word, this fan, it keeps messing my hair. Okay, so this is how Miss Gaga looks. When you put her on, you just want to make sure that the hair lays very flat from the center of the wig. Another thing I really like about this wig is it is perfect for the summer. It is perfect for the summer. You don't have very much hair to be dealing with in the neck area because it's an A-line cut. It's a blunt A-line cut. So even though it looks like you have quite a bit of hair in the center, you really don't have that much. The length of hair in the back is not that much. So this is how Gaga looks. She's comfortable. Normally I don't use the combs in the wig, and I don't even have the combs on right now, and it fits very comfortable on my hair. I think that it's somewhat big head friendly, and it's definitely a wig for the summer. It's easy to put on. You don't have to be dealing with fixing your edges. You don't have to be dealing with the lace part. It's just pretty easy to just put on and get out of the door. You just need to comb around before you put it on. After you put it on, and you'll be good to go. So this is how she looks from the right. This is how she looks from the left. And this is how she looks from the back. Okay, so this is Miss Gaga. I hope that you guys liked my review on her, and she's definitely a wig that you want to get for the summer if you're into the bang looking style or the blunt bob cut looking style with some bangs. I think that she's definitely a wig that you may want to have for the summer, especially if you love this color. Again, I have her in the color Somrt Nude. It's basically a blend of infant pink, platinum blonde, and blonde. That's what I see. The colors I see when I look at the strands, this is what it looks like. And I'm definitely feeling her. I'm really loving her. I've rocked her a couple times, and I've gotten compliments every time I wear this wig. So I just thought I'd let you guys see how she looks, because I don't see very many reviews on this color on YouTube. So I just wanted to come out to show you guys how she's looking. Alright, so she is definitely Sophy approved. definitely Sophy approved. She's definitely Sophy approved, okay? So till then, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for checking out my take and my review on this lovely unit from Zury Sis. And I hope that you guys tune in again for my next wig review. If you're new to my channel, this channel is about hair, makeup, lifestyle, cooking, a little bit of everything, and spreading some Sophy love. Okay, so don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be part of the Sophia's squad. Okay, so thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.